The membrane-covered amperometric residual chlorine sensor has two connector types: 5-pin M12 screwed plug type and 2-pole screwed terminal block type. The matching cables are also different. The terminal type sensor comes with a protective hood. The specific connection method is as follows. Thread one end of the cable through the cable gland in the hood. Connect the positive and negative cores to the sensor positive and negative terminal. Tighten the protective hood and the cable gland. The 5-pin M12 screwed plug type is relatively simple to connect. Simply connect the M12 female connector on the cable to the M12 male connector on the sensor. The following demonstrates how to connect a 4 to 20 mA output chlorine sensor to the ADS model controller. Unscrew the 4 screws on the controller and open the housing. Thread the sensor cable through the gland. According to the cable markings, connect the 2 cores on the other end of the sensor cable to the positive and negative terminals of the 4 to 20 mA current terminal. Turn on the controller. The screen will typically display 0 mg per liter. The controller requires initial setup. Long press the menu key to enter the main menu. Click Probe Set. Indicator. Select the measurement parameter based on the sensor type. The click Set Range to set the range. Set the upper and lower value according to the range indicated on the sensor label. The following demonstrates how to connect the RS485 output chlorine sensor with DUC2 model digital controller. Compared to the analog output sensor, the cable for RS485 output has 2 additional cores, AS and BS. A gateway is required to convert the 4 to 20 mA signal to an RS485 signal. Next, demonstrate how to connect the gateway to the sensor. First, connect the female connector of the gateway to the male connector of the sensor. Then connect the male connector of the gateway to the female connector of the cable. Finally, according to the wire markings, connect the 4 cores of the cable to the corresponding terminals on the controller. Note: the controller shown in the video has a per-made M12 female connector, and the gateway cable is not a bare wire, but an M12 male connector. So you can directly connect the M12 connector outside the controller. When connecting the chlorine sensor to an MCC series multi-parameter controller, along with other sensors, a hub is required. The other end of the gateway cable must be made with an M12 connector to connect to the hub. This allows for easy connection and removal without opening the controller.